It's toasted. And this is a Gemco holder pack here, right? Spring loaded. RJ Reynolds. This has got beautiful patina. You could see the original finish here. And over time, the paint has worn off. So, yeah. Dig these. Also, I do not condone, nor does Boss Steel Blades condone smoking, but you know what they say, smoke them if you got them, right? Okay. We all know Zippo's run out of fluid, so I keep a couple spare matches. Just randomly, you know. Sometimes I'll suck on the end, you know, chew on the end. That's why it kind of looks kind of messed up there. I chewed on that one like a toothpick when I can't have a smoke. This is a, what's that brand again? And a Diamond brand. Strike Anywhere. They discontinued them. This is a UCO one, which is as close as you could get to the old school Strike Anywhere matches. And now these are the most potent ones, right? Homemade, and these are like real old school matches, the ones that there's a reason why the Strike Anywheres became banned to be shipped, because they're so flammable. Yeah, you drop a pack of these, they're gonna blow up like fireworks and smoke. Crazy. Anyways, so Teener Tuesday, folks. Why am I showing you this? Actually, I don't even have a slip joint because you know, I've come to love using a fixed blade, and this is like the Goldilocks of fixed blades for me, fellas. You know, check out that beautiful Tina. All right, so I'm getting a little ahead of myself here. This is the H10 121. So H110 is the pattern, 1 for single blade, 21 for the year. And it's got a full flat grind, sand finish, clip point style, practical edge etched on the blade, just like my kitchen knife. The weight is only 2.1 ounces, fellas, so this is real nice. The handle thickness here, by the way, did I tell you, this is full tang. Real sweet, real sweet. Red linen micarta, by the way, but it's been rubbed off since I've gotten this piece here. And yeah, it's rode in the pocket. Also, let me show you this sheath. Let me tell you, yeah, this pocket's got some character. Also, if I ever want to conceal carry, I just slip it in like that at the end. And usually I wear like a 2XL t-shirt, even though I'm not 2XL, but I like some long length t-shirts, you know? I don't want people seeing what I got. So, I was about to put it back. Forgive me, fellas. Alright. We got three nickel silver pins, stainless steel handguard, the blade length, the blade thickness, excuse me, is 0.090. So this is a slicey piece. I have to put my own edge on this. And I really dig using fixed blades. You know, there's nothing faster than pulling a fixed blade out. This is the Goldilocks. You know, it's not too big and it's not too small. I could just get 4 fingers around the handle, as the handle is only 0.435 inches and it's 3.375 inches long. Okay. Made in 2021, and also nickel silver acorn shield. Some people they bitched about the micarta. If you could see up here, there's some like glue residue here. I don't know if that was when they were putting the micarta on. And the spine hasn't patinaed like the blade has. But if you ask me, this is more useful, and you know, yeah, switchblades and modern flippers, you know, they deploy quick, but this ain't, you don't have to deploy this piece here. And I really dig it. Also, why I'm showing you this is I noticed Boss Seal Blades has a couple 2023 runs. One in the Daybreak camo, and also a really nice one is the Jigged Frontier. I really wanted the Jigged Frontier, but as you could see, I have this one and I have another. I think I showed it to you already, the Bone Marrow. So yeah, I can't collect these, you know. They always end up becoming users. That's the problem, so I don't collect them. They all become users, and they're not save queens for sure. Anyways, I've kept you long enough, fellas. Take it easy. Have a good one.